Hello party animal. Do you have a JBL Flip 5 or Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker, but it doesn't last long enough for your party? Then the battery is probably old or damaged. Good news, you don't need to empty your grandma's savings to buy a new speaker. Just get a replacement battery, link is in the video description, and replace it. The best part, you don't need expensive tools or a soldering iron. First, turn off the speaker and remove the speaker grill. It's attached to the housing with plastic clips, so carefully pry it off using a flat screwdriver. Next, unscrew the screws on the side that is farther from the woofer. Ignore the fact that I removed the woofer. For a battery replacement, you don't need to take it out. Remove the rubber part, then use a flat screwdriver to carefully release the plastic clips and remove the passive bus radiator. Do this very carefully, because you'll need to reinstall it later. If you break it, the speaker may sound distorted. If you want to learn more about fixing distortion, check out my previous video. Disconnect the battery by pressing the plastic lock on the connector. Then carefully pull out the old battery. Insert the new replacement battery. To connect it, gently pull the board slightly out of the speaker housing. But be careful not to damage the two cables. Connect the battery, then push the board back into place. Arrange the cable so it doesn't interfere with the passive radiator. To reinstall the passive radiator housing, align it with the pin and press it into place until all clips lock. Slide the rubber part back in and tighten it with the long screws. Now turn on your favorite song and test the speaker. Nice, it sounds like new again. Finally, put the speaker grill back on. Align the grill buttons with the speaker buttons. Place the speaker into the cover and press around the edges until cover clicks into place. As you can see, it looks like it was never opened. Play some music to fully test the speaker, and don't forget to check the charging as well. I hope this video helps you fix your JBL Flip speaker.